back. Aloo Sabzi is relatively quick to prepare, making it a convenient choice for those who want to whip up a delicious meal without spending too much time in the kitchen. Echoing the statement and spreading the aroma of love, Radhika Gounden serves you with comfort food today as she rejuvenates the traditional Aloo Sabzi.
Alicia, welcome to the kitchen.
Thank you, Radhika. It's so lovely to be here with you cooking again. What are you preparing for us today?
Well, today we're going to prepare Aloo Sabzi.
What's Sabzi?
Sabzi means curry.
Oh, well, I see there's baby potatoes right
Yes,
here.
that's the star ingredient actually, baby potatoes. So it's a sort of a different take on the humble potato curry. We have some ginger powder, some cardamom pods.
This is cardamom.
Yes, okay. That's kasuri methi.
What is kasuri methi?
It's sort of a dried herb that is very popular in Indian dishes. Some Kashmiri chili powder. We have some dhania seeds.
Okay.
Some ground fennel and ground cumin.
Okay.
Some black pepper. Some cinnamon sticks.
Yes.
That's cloves.
Yes.
And some dried chili and
this is to bring the spice.
and also some curd yogurt.
Okay, so does that bring in the tanginess?
That gives that nice creaminess to the dish,
Okay.
and that's what I'm saying. Alicia, the baby potatoes need to be softened. So that's what I've done. I've given it like a 6-minute steam to soften, and then you can immerse it in some cold water and remove the skins. Yeah. Please, can I have the oil? Okay, I'm just going to toss a little bit of oil here. So the first thing is, although you've steamed your potatoes, I'm going to need that because I'm going to sort of give it a light fry so that the skin gets a nice crust. And you can console yourself, it's steamed, so it's still a very healthy way of cooking. So we're going to leave this to brown a little while we get our plates ready.
Okay.
So you need something to, obviously you want the oil to be drained out. Yes, that would be helpful. Okay, so slowly I need some of the dried spices that's there. Let's throw in our star ingredient.
Well. The time has come for our star ingredient. Of course. Thank you. Can I just place it with my hand?
Yeah. Put it closer there. Right. And then start from the front. Yes, yeah. Alicia, when you're using kasuri methi, there is a trick on how you put it into the pot.
Okay.
You put it in the palms of your hand and you grind it even further.
Wow. Okay, so before we forget,
Yes, before I add my garnish, and then
the aroma is here as well. It's wonderful.
and our final.
That's the dhania. Getting really impatient, Radhika. Let's just tuck right in.
I don't blame you, Alicia. It's looking amazing, yeah.
Let's look at that.
So, Alicia, there you have it. Your naan bread to mop up that lovely gravy. Aloo Sabzi. What do you think?
It's very nice, Radhika. It is lovely.
I knew you
It's
did
like
it.
all these flavors coming together in one aloo curry or aloo sabzi, you call it. The baby potatoes is amazing.
Aren't they lovely
It's
and soft? Yes,
It's
it's
very
soft.
soft
I'm
in
just going to also have a bite here. Let's taste the curry.
I was waiting the entire time to have this.
Yum. If you have baby potatoes, or even if you don't have, go and buy some and try out this lovely aloo curry.